Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best sushi mold is probably one of the most exciting kitchen gadgets you can own, especially if you're a fan of Japanese cuisine. Today, we're diving deep into the world of sushi molds, exploring their features, and helping you find the perfect one to elevate your home sushi making game. Get ready to say goodbye to uneven rolls and hello to perfectly shaped sushi, all from the comfort of your own kitchen. Let's get started. Number 5. Onigiri Mold 3-Pack Musubi Press Maker. Tired of complicated sushi making? This kit simplifies the process. It allows you to create perfect sushi in seconds. The package includes 2 triangle rice molds, a musubi maker, and a rice ladle. This set provides everything needed to make various sushi shapes. The molds feature a unique bumpy dot design, ensuring easy demolding. This design helps to prevent the rice from sticking, making the process smooth. Made from high-quality plastic, this mold is built to last. It is a durable and reliable tool for your kitchen. Forget complex sushi making methods. This musubi mold makes it easy to create sushi, onigiri, and more. It's simple and saves you money. What we like? This set offers a variety of shapes, perfect for creative sushi presentations. If you're looking to make fun and diverse sushi for your family, especially kids, this is a great choice. It's easy to use and will save you time and effort in the kitchen. What people say? Make spam musubi and onigiri so much easier to make. The little spatula it comes with is my favorite part. It's so handy and helps you get the perfect amount for each mold. These molds not only made them the right size and shape, but they also came out of the mold super easily. Number 4. IMPRESA Musubi Maker Kit, Easy Sushi Making. Introducing the IMPRESA Musubi Maker Kit. This kit is perfect for creating authentic Hawaiian musubi. It includes 2 musubi makers, making it easy to create fresh sushi rolls and onigiri. This musubi press mold is more than just for musubi. You can also use it to create exquisite onigiri, kimbap, and sekire. It provides endless opportunities to explore Japanese cuisine at home. The non-stick surface ensures effortless rice shaping and release. Its user-friendly design simplifies the sushi making process, allowing for quick and delicious results. The IMPRESA Musubi kit is crafted from robust materials, designed for repeated use. Its durability ensures this musubi mold becomes a reliable kitchen staple. Maintaining this musubi mold is simple. Just hand wash it with warm soapy water and towel dry. The straightforward care instructions ensure long-lasting performance. What we like? This kit is specifically designed for making Hawaiian musubi. If you're a fan of musubi or want to try making it at home, this is the perfect tool. Its non-stick surface makes it easy to use and clean, ensuring a hassle-free experience. What people say? The product works perfectly. It is very easy to use and clean. The design is very good. Number 3. URED Sushi Bazooka Sushi Maker Kit. This sushi maker is easy to use. Open it, load it with rice, vegetables, and meat, then close and squeeze. It's the perfect kit for anyone new to making sushi. The sushi maker is made from food-grade, BPA-free materials, ensuring it's safe and healthy for you and your family to use. You can enjoy making sushi with peace of mind. With this tool, you can make perfectly rounded sushi rolls quickly and easily at home. It saves you time and money compared to buying sushi. The compact design is easy to use, even for children. It's a perfect gift for sushi lovers and beginners, and great for family gatherings. It's an essential tool for making sushi with your children, allowing for more interaction and companionship. You can create lasting memories together. Imagine weekend mornings with your little ones, making colorful sushi. Watch their eyes light up as they create perfect rolls. Transform kitchen moments into lifelong memories. Host a sushi making showdown. Create beautiful rolls with creative ingredients. No skill is required, just fun and laughter. It's a sophisticated and enjoyable experience. What we like? This sushi bazooka makes sushi making incredibly simple, even for beginners and kids. If you're looking for a fun, family-friendly activity that results in delicious sushi, you should consider this. It's a great way to get everyone involved in the kitchen and enjoy a tasty meal together. What people say. Best investment for accurately making sushi rolls. Easy to use when making for 2 to 3 people, only if they eat one apiece. The thickness is absolutely perfect, if you like them big like I do. The fit of the rice and fish tastes amazing after this tool being used. It works well, depending on the type of sushi you're aiming for. It's great for California-type rolls or any type of sushi that doesn't require nori sheets on the exterior of your sushi. This device makes much more consistent, beautiful rolls. Number 2. MarcZero Sushi Making Kit, 22-in-1 DIY Machine. Tired of complicated sushi making? This kit is designed for everyone, from beginners to sushi enthusiasts. It provides everything you need to create delicious sushi rolls in minutes. This comprehensive kit includes a sushi bazooka, bamboo mats, a knife, chopsticks, and various molds. It has all the tools to make your sushi experience enjoyable and easy. Made from 100% natural bamboo, this kit is both environmentally friendly and built to last. With proper care, it will be a long-lasting addition to your kitchen. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this kit simplifies the sushi making process. It makes creating perfect sushi rolls simple and fun. The included sushi knife features an ergonomic design for a secure grip and easy cutting. It makes slicing sushi a breeze. The kit includes molds for nigiri, onigiri, and musubi. These molds save time and effort, perfect for entertaining family and friends. What we like? This kit includes everything you need to make sushi like a pro, including a professional-grade knife. If you're serious about making sushi at home and want a complete set with high-quality tools, this is the one for you. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced sushi enthusiasts. What people say. The Bazooka roller makes rolling sushi super simple, even for beginners. The knife is sharp and cuts through sushi rolls easily without tearing them. The molds let you shape your sushi in different styles, making it even more enjoyable. Number 1. Cute Onigiri DIY Rice Ball Molds, 10 PCS Set. This set includes various cute molds like rabbit, triangle, and heart shapes. You'll get a total of 10 molds to create fun and adorable rice balls. They are perfect for daily use and will make your meals more exciting. Made from quality PP plastic, these molds are reliable and reusable. They are lightweight and easy to carry around. Use them to create interesting rice balls with your favorite ingredients. These molds are designed to quickly make small sushi or rice balls. The cute patterns will make your kids love eating rice. Simply put rice and ingredients into the mold and press lightly. The onigiri molds are easy to clean, suitable for sushi beginners. Just rinse them with warm or cold water and detergent. Keep it dry for the next use, saving you time and energy. This sushi maker set is small and easy to carry. It's perfect for camping, picnics, and home parties. It's a great choice for sushi restaurants, families, and anyone who loves cute food. What we like? This set is all about making sushi fun and appealing, especially for kids. If you have picky eaters or want to make mealtime more enjoyable for your children, you should consider this. It's easy to use and creates adorable rice balls that kids will love. What people say. I've used this to prepare onigiris at home and they're so easy to use. They look perfect and so similar to the ones you buy in a Japanese restaurant. Easy to clean, perfect size for single servings. My kids are 10 and 7, they could use every aspect of this without any help. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.